In this video, I will show how to separate positive and negative numbers in Microsoft Excel. So we have this list and we will separate easily. Firstly, select this cell in positive. Now here type this formula equal if opening bracket. Now select this first A2 comma greater than 0 comma again select A2 comma quotation mark, then closing bracket, press enter. Now drag and drop. So this way you can separate positive from this list. Now here type another formula equal if opening bracket select A2 type 0 greater than A2 comma again select A2 comma double quotation mark, closing bracket and press enter. Now drag and drop this list. So this way you can separate positive and negative in Excel. Thanks for watching.